Well, happy Independence anniversary. But it is important to note that what we are celebrating today is not exactly what was celebrated on October 1st, 1916. We had wonderful constitution that was negotiated with the founding fathers with Great Britain, and it became a document that was supposed to set the great African nation, a giant African nation, free from all manner of colonial mentality, as we used to call it. That constitution is not what we have today. That constitution has been screwed by, yes, military juntas. It's been made and it's been stolen. It's been actually screwed to the advantage of the Hausa Fulani. This is something very painful to all other ethnic groups in Nigeria. What their fathers painstakingly fought for was stolen. The military from the north stole it and repackaged it to the advantage of the northern Nigeria. This will be revisited. We know that. The next move will be, number one, the move against Fulanization and Islamization. And secondly, will be the move to restore the 1963 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And three will be probably to vigorously pursue the zonal autonomy. You know what that means? That is the regional autonomy that was during 1960 to 1966 period. Thank you.